Home to the largest national park of the Tarai region in Nepal, Bardia is located at a distance of around 532 kilometers from the capital city of Kathmandu. Bardia is widely known for being a shelter for the renowned Bengal tiger. It covers an area of 2025 square kilometers and lies in the Lumbini, eastern Nepal. It takes around 10 to 11 hours on a bus to reach Bardia from Kathmandu. At around a distance of just 532 kilometers, one can experience a different climate, geography, and unique culture in comparison to that of Kathmandu. More than 30 different mammals, 513 species of birds, and several species of snakes, lizards, and fishes are found inside the Bardia National Park. Similarly, one can see various species of migratory birds in the migrating seasons. Being one of the rapidly growing tourism destinations, Bardia offers a set of unmatchable and unique travel experiences. Dalla Community Homestay at Bardia provides basic accommodations and enables one to live the way the locals live. The feeling of being one with the locals is something that the community homestay advocates and fulfills. It promises to give a unique and amazing rural experience to travelers. A jeep safari inside the national park is another major attraction of the place. The jeep safari allows one to enjoy the drive inside the jungle and observe the wildlife at the same time. A jungle walk with the local guides will help one burn some calories and observe the jungle in more detail. It is how one can get the most closer to the wilderness of Bardia. Similarly, camping near the river Karnali, watching the sunset, and spending a night in such wilderness is something that gives an unmatchable adventure experience. In the dense and deadly jungle of Bardia, Treehouse will embrace one of its safety and allows one to experience an unmatchable observation of the wildlife. It is one of the most unique and fulfilling experiences that Bardia offers. In addition to these, travelers can also observe the unique cultural dances performed by the locals of Bardia. One can experience four major kinds of dances: Chokra Nach, Sakhiya Nach, Jhumra Nach, and Lathi Nach. Cultural dances in Bardia are sure to make one stand on their feet and join the locals. Celebrating the festival of colors Holi with the locals is altogether a very unique and exciting experience. One can observe the burning of Holika a day before Holi and can learn the story behind the culture of burning Holika. Celebrating Holi with the locals is capable of coloring one's mood and entire travel experience. Bardia and its wilderness is something that one should experience once in their lifetime. The hospitality of the locals and various activities offered by Bardia is enough to make one's stay memorable and exciting. This amazing place always gives its best to make our visit special. Our willingness to visit Bardia decides the rest.